Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our video of the best immersion blender for smoothies. Watch until the end to see our recommendation from the list. Our list starts with Breville Control Grip Immersion Blender. Are you looking for the best immersion blender for smoothies that can crush down everything from chia seeds to ice with ease and produce a perfect smoothie? The Breville Control Grip Immersion Blender has a powerful motor of 600 watts, making it crush nuts and frozen fruits with ease. It also has a variable speed setting of up to 15 and a shallow head that minimizes suction and prevents splashing. It comes with two blades, one for emulsifying and chopping and the other for general blending. Its dishwasher-safe parts are easy to clean, giving you easy time to clean them. Nutribullet Immersion Hand Blender. This 350-watt immersion blender has gained praise for its small yet strong performance in pureeing hard ingredients. The Nutribullet Immersion Hand Blender weighs 1.3 pounds, making it an easy appliance to carry. Unlike the Breville Control Grip Immersion Blender, which has 15 speeds to pick from, the Nutribullet Immersion Hand Blender has a variable speed setting of up to 8. Its detachable parts make it dishwasher safe. Should you blend a smoothie and be out of cups, this blender saves you the hassle as it comes with a cup. Cuisinart CSB-75BC Smart Stick Immersion Blender. The Cuisinart CSB-75BC Smart Stick Immersion Blender is designed in a way that allows it to reach deep into the bowl, with its ergonomic design giving one comfortability control when holding it. It has a 200-watt and speed setting of 2, making it easy to use. The Vitamix Immersion Blender. The Vitamix Immersion Blender's shaft is 9.2 inches, making it reach the bottom of most bowls and crush the ingredients easily. Weighing 2.9 pounds and with a height of 17.9 inches, the maximum blade for this immersion blender is 13,900 revolutions per minute. It's made of stainless steel and has a rubberized handle, giving you comfort when handling it. Which is the best? Breville Control Grip Immersion Blender is the best immersion blender due to its wattage and sharp blades, which make it crush hard ingredients from frozen fruits and nuts to ice. Its 15 different speed settings give one a variety of speed options to select, thus providing an opportunity to blend as per your recipe and ingredients. Thanks for watching.